10 tips for improving fuel efficiency in your car. 1. Maintain proper tire pressure. Keeping your tires inflated to the correct pressure reduces rolling resistance, improving fuel efficiency. Regularly check tire pressure, especially before long trips, to ensure optimal performance. Take a few minutes each month to inflate your tires properly and enjoy the fuel savings. 2. Drive smoothly. Avoid sudden accelerations and harsh braking, as they waste fuel and increase wear and tear on your vehicle. Maintain a consistent speed by anticipating traffic flow and using cruise control on highways. Smooth driving not only saves fuel but also makes your journey safer and more comfortable. 3. Reduce excess weight. Remove unnecessary items from your car to lighten the load and improve fuel economy. Every extra 100 pounds in your vehicle can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 2%, so declutter regularly. Travel lighter and watch your fuel gauge and your wallet. Thank you for it. 4. Use the right motor oil. Opt for low-viscosity motor oil to reduce friction and improve engine efficiency. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil type and viscosity to maximize fuel economy. Choosing the right motor oil not only protects your engine but also helps you save on fuel costs. 5. Keep your engine properly tuned. Regular maintenance, including spark plug replacement and air filter cleaning, ensures optimal engine performance. A well-tuned engine operates more efficiently, saving fuel and reducing harmful emissions. Schedule regular tune-ups to keep your engine running smoothly and your fuel consumption low. 6. Avoid idling. Turn off your engine if you anticipate being stopped for more than a minute, as idling burns fuel unnecessarily. Restarting your car uses less fuel than letting it idle for extended periods, especially with modern fuel-injected engines. Be mindful of idling time and switch off your engine when parked or waiting to conserve fuel. 7. Plan your trips efficiently. Combine errands into a single trip to minimize mileage and maximize fuel efficiency. Use navigation apps to find the most efficient routes and avoid traffic congestion whenever possible. Planning ahead not only saves time but also reduces fuel consumption and environmental impact. 8. Use air conditioning wisely. Use your car's air conditioning sparingly, as it can significantly increase fuel consumption. Park in shaded areas or use sunshades to keep your car cooler, reducing the need for AC. Find the right balance between comfort and fuel economy to maximize your driving experience. 9. Drive at optimal speeds. Driving at moderate speeds, typically between 45 and 65 miles per hour, can optimize fuel efficiency. Higher speeds increase wind resistance and fuel consumption, so maintain a steady pace within the optimal range. Save fuel and arrive safely by sticking to the sweet spot of your vehicle's most efficient speed range. 10. Consider eco-friendly driving habits. Embrace eco-driving techniques like coasting to a stop and anticipating traffic flow to reduce fuel consumption. Minimize the use of heavy braking and utilize engine braking when descending hills to save fuel. Adopting eco-friendly driving habits not only saves money on fuel but also reduces your carbon footprint for a greener planet. Enjoying these tips? For more valuable content on optimizing your driving experience and maximizing fuel efficiency, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Join our community of eco-conscious drivers committed to saving money and reducing environmental impact, 1 mile at a time. Let's drive smarter together.